Hello students, today we are going to learn about significance of mitosis, which is the third part of the cell cycle. So before watching this video, please watch the cell cycle part 1 and part 2 video. The links of both the videos are given in the description, or at the top I button will appear. Click on that button and watch the both videos. So here the significance of mitosis is our today's topic. The significance Mitosis is significant aspect of the growth of living matter. It serves the following purposes. The first purpose or first significance is the equal distribution of chromosomes. The genetic integrity of an individual is maintained by equal distribution of chromosomes in daughter cells. All diploid cells of an individual from zygote to meiocytes contain the same number of chromosomes. So equal distribution of chromosomes is maintained in this uh, mitosis. The second is restoration of surface to volume ratio. A smaller cell has a greater amount of surface available in relation to volume than that of a larger cell, and hence smaller cells are metabolically more active. As the cell increases in size, the available surface area in relation to increased volume becomes less, and it affects oxygen diffusion, then exchange of material, etc. Therefore, cell divides. So, restoration of surface to volume ratio is another significance of mitosis. The third significance is nucleoplasmic index, or nucleocytoplasmic ratio. We can call it as nucleoplasmic index or nucleocytoplasmic ratio. This is also maintained during mitosis. So how it maintains, let's see. The DNA content of a cell is constant. That we know, the DNA content of each and every cell is always constant, which can control the activities of the cell up to a specific size, and beyond which proper control is not possible. So a cell cannot grow in size to a larger extent without without disturbing the ratio between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. And when the cell grows to a particular size, it divides and restores nucleoplasmic index, and in this way the nucleoplasmic index is maintained. Then it and therefore we can conclude that growth of a multicellular organisms takes place by an increase in the number of cells rather than by increase in the size of the cells. Next significance is cell repair. Now, wounded or damaged or disturbed regions of the body are replaced by addition of the cells. Dead cells of the upper layer of the epidermis, then cells of the linings of the gut, and RBCs are constantly being replaced. And this is a very important significance, that is, all the damaged wounded cells get repaired by mitotic process, mitotic cell division. And next significance is it also helps in the reproduction. In unicellular organisms, unicellular forms, mitosis helps in their reproduction process. Then the next significance is helping in the regeneration of lost parts. So lost parts of the bodies get regenerated because of the mitotic process in some organisms. Next significance is it helps in the grafting in vegetative reproduction. So in case of vegetative reproductions, like in some small organisms or primitive organisms, then in case of the plants also, it helps in the process of grafting or vegetative reproduction. Then it also helps in the growth of multicellular organisms which occurs due to mitosis. This the last significance is mitotic divisions in the meristematic tissues. So this the apical and the lateral cambium results in the continuous growth of plants throughout their life. So all these are the significance of mitosis. So let's take a quick review. The first one is it maintains the equal distribution of chromosomes. Then restoration of surface to volume ratio is also maintained, and the nucleoplasmic index is maintained. Cells get repaired by the mitotic process. It helps in the reproduction of some organisms. It also helps in the regeneration of lost body parts. It helps for grafting in vegetative reproduction, and then it helps in the growth of multicellular organisms, and lastly mitotic divisions in the meristematic tissues. So this is all about this mitosis, steps of mitosis, stages of mitosis we have seen in the previous video lecture, and in this video we have talked about 9 significances of mitosis. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe my channel. Thank you.